Welcome to our holiday kitchen. Today, the Adaptive Foods class is preparing a holiday simmer pot. Come join us.
Every recipe begins with clean hands. We use hot soapy water for 15 to 20 seconds and dry with a clean paper towel.
We put on our aprons to dress for safety and cleanliness.
Today's ingredients are simple and seasonal. We will be using oranges, apples, cranberries, cinnamon, cloves, and water.
We prepared the fruit by slicing it and adding it to the pot.
We measured 1 cup of cranberries and added it to the pot.
We added in spices for the holiday scent.
We measured the liquids carefully and slowly added it to the pot.
We then mixed our ingredients together.
We need to stay safe around heat. This includes pulling sleeves up and making sure nothing is dangling.
We take pride in our work. Happy holidays from the Adaptive Foods class.